time to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration.
Okay, so basically I'm gonna be doing Rihanna's Vogue makeup look. Should I keep trying to do another intro? The one that she did, she was really cute, but I can't recreate it because I'm not as cute as she is. But yeah, I'm gonna recreate her look. So if you want to keep watching, stick around. First things first, we're gonna put on our foundation, and all what products will be listed down below, so don't worry if you're that curious. If you want to know what I use, then I guess you can go down there. And yeah, we're just gonna put it all on our face because Rihanna's flawless, so we have to be flawless too. If you're wondering why I'm using a small beauty blender, it's because I just got into, I know I'm so late, right? But I just recently got into sponges, because like I used to be like, I'm not gonna use a sponge, they're gonna take up all the product, me being cheap, you know. But now I'm like, you know, I need to stop this mentality, okay? Because to be honest, it gives you a really nice finish and it doesn't use as much product on your skin, so you don't look too messy. And it might look a little light for me right now, but it'll oxidize, don't worry. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You can pick a time and a place. Low key, I feel like this is like a makeup challenge, like a no mirror makeup challenge, because I can barely see the mirror right now. So oh, I'm not even looking at the mirror, I'm looking at the camera. What is wrong with me? By the way, my forehead is darker than the rest of my face. I think that's the same case with everyone, but not sure. But don't worry, okay? Don't be frightened. Don't worry, okay? By the way, I do go off of this camera and I do blend in my foundation, because while I was watching this I was cringing. I was like, Sabrina, please blend this, but I didn't. But don't worry, I went off camera and I did, so and here is where movie magic happens and concealer just magically appears on my face. But like Rihanna, I put concealer right under my eye because I feel like if I go too in with the concealer, I will look ghostly. But for those who are watching and they're like, oh, do y'all really do all of that to put on makeup? Like, yes, but we don't do all that for you, okay? Now this is where we contour. I basically just warm up my face with this liquid contour shade, and yeah, just so I don't look too ghostly and too pale, too white, too everything I don't want. And we are anti-flashback out here. And here is where I basically take the same contour shade and ooh, that was my phone, I'm so sorry. And we just do it in the perimeter of our face because we're trying to look womanly, okay? I know for one thing I better not get anything on this shirt. I feel like I already did though. Oh my gosh. I really don't know how I'd be making a mess. This is the crucial part that I really don't mess up. My shirt. Okay. I'm wearing this shirt because I feel like Rihanna, like in her video, she wore like a satin robe. And you know, I don't got a satin robe. So I don't have a satin robe. So sis had to put on her satin shirt. And I feel like she is like really cute with the accessories. I went more simple, but I still was cute. Like, you see this necklace? Shannon. Wait, that's Beyonce's song. Diamonds in the Sky. After I did that horrible impression of Rihanna, I'm so sorry, Rihanna, I did not do you justice. But after I do so, I basically set the middle of my face with my setting powder. I almost forgot what it was called. And after that, I actually sweep the setting powder across my face just to set the other areas of my face. I feel like, you know, you don't need to like go ham on the setting powder. So I was like, yeah, that's what I just do. Everyone else does it different. But you know what? Don't tell me how to do my makeup because I do whatever I want. Okay, bye. Boom, brows did. Not much of a difference because I already have a lot of brow. But basically over here, I start warming up my face some more. Not really, to be honest. I just put bronze powder onto where I put the contour. We want to be skinty, okay? Now here I'm putting a warm brown color to my crease because why? Rihanna in her tutorial put a brown color in her crease. And why do we have to follow, you ask? Because it's her tutorial. She dominates the beauty game. She basically put every MUA in their own grave. So RIP James Charles, Patrick Star, you will be missed. I'm just kidding. But yeah. Do that because Rihanna did that, okay? Put brown in your crease, okay? And as you can see right here, self-explanatory, you just go in with a similar pink that Rihanna used. Swipe it on your lid. I did it with my finger, but it's whatever. I'm not an MUA, so... And here I went in with a little bit more brown and blended it some more. Here I was about to, no, I gave up because that was too big of a brush. But I came back and I blended the pink with the brown. And then after that, I took a smaller dome brush and I swept. I can't English. I swept the brown onto my lower lash line. Text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. lash, lips, highlight, done. Shout out to Fenty for the highlight because she's glowing. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I don't look too weird. I added lashes because Rihanna put on mascara and she has more lashes than me, okay? My lashes are really stubborn. They always want to go flat, so I had to pick them up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye. Let me try to look seductive really quick, like, you know, like that, like I'm not trying hard, but I low-key am. Yeah, if Rihanna, if you're watching this, hey girl.